Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly Euro Yen, definitely looks like the end of a wave 3. If it is the end of a wave 3, most likely we're in a wave 4, which I think will last at least 6 to 8 months before we actually go back up and make a wave 5. I would also expect this wave 4 to go down to at least one of these lower fib levels like the 156 or the 150 area. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, a very impulsive move down. I think it's very likely this is a wave A of wave 4, and I still don't even see any signs that the wave A of 4 is actually complete yet. So taking it down to the daily time frame, this is definitely all one big downtrend, and I definitely do not think it's over. We don't even have that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of pretty much every single trend if you're on the right time frame. So I'm definitely still looking for sorts. I think this is a wave A of wave 4, and I'm looking for pullback entries on sort of time frames still. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, man, we've had some amazing trades on this thing. If you were looking for sorts over the past like 3 or 4 weeks, you would have had lots and lots of very significant profits. And I am definitely still looking for sorts because the roadmap time frame is definitely still telling us to look for sorts. So I'm definitely looking for sorts at the end of every single pullback I see. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looks like a five-way pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4 type 5 move. It may end up starting a move to the upside. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I have really honestly have no idea if it will. I just know that if it does start a pullback, then I will be ready to go short again at the end of that pullback for the continuation of the downtrend. The trend is your friend. Just like I said for 6 months straight that I was only looking for longs on the yen before the turn a few weeks ago. Now I'm probably going to spend about 6 months saying that I'm only looking for shorts at the end of every pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.